Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you getting automatic backups on Google One but want to turn it off to save storage? In this video I'll show you how to disable Google One backup on your phone or computer. Let's just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Google One app or website. Now if you're using your mobile phone, just go to the Play Store and download. If you don't already have the Google One app, just download this from the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. If you're using a computer like I am in this tutorial, just go to OneDrive by typing on the search bar OneDrive and Google specify. As you can see, just look for one.drive.google. I misspelled this on Google. Here, choose this website and make sure you sign in using your account's credentials. As you can see here, I'm already signed in. The second step is to access the backup settings. In the Google One app, you're just gonna have to tap storage and then click on device backup. Now on computer, just go to storage on the left side. As you can see, it has the cloud icon and click on it. Now I haven't done a backup upload in my OneDrive account, but if you did, you're gonna see the backup option. The third step is to turn off backup, and to do that, tap on manage backup, or you can go to settings and then toggle off backup by Google One or turn off backup. And then confirm by tapping turn off and delete backup if prompted. As for the fourth and final step, check the backup status. And to do that, just go to storage and refresh to ensure backup is turned off. Now turning off Google One backup doesn't delete existing backups. You'll need to manually delete them in Google Drive and then go to backups. You can turn it back on anytime in the same settings menu. And that's how you disable Google One backup. Just go to settings, turn off backup and confirm your choice. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.